Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Rajiv Panik here, and you are watching my channel. Here I'm demonstrating a simple example of a pen and ink illustration. Here I'm using a small hut and a tree here as an object, and a few bushes here and there so as to support the composition. So this is how I keep practicing, dear students. That is very important. As I have already suggested of using the shapes while drawing, so this goes absolutely true with all the mediums you do, whether it is pen or pencil work or watercolor or opaque or oil pastel. The basic thing is that you have to see the shape in it first, and then according to the shape the line works must be done. So if it is a tree, then you have to break it down in simple shapes of a cylinder. If it is a cylinder, then it is very evident that the lines will uh, go crisscross or side by side. Sometimes, for the suggestion of the roughness or the texture of the tree, some of the vertical lines can be drawn, or to be more precise, the lines which goes exactly with the shape of the tree, the direction of the tree, those lines are to be added. Now, as far as these leaves are concerned, it is a bunch of leaf, and as we know that it has leaves, lots of leaves in it, and they grow in every possible direction, east, west, north, south, or at the bottom, or some of the leaves goes up. So in while doing the leaves with a pen, you have to move your pen in such a way so that your leaves, so that the strokes of the pen can move in all direction. Sometimes you can give the strokes onto the right, sometimes on the left, sometimes on the top, sometimes on the bottom, so as to give the effect of the bunch of the leaves, so as to give the character of the leaves. Now, as you can see here now, as I have told you already, that the shape of the tree is cylinder, and according to the direction of the tree, you have to give the lines here. And furthermore, you have to understand where the light is coming from, or where you want to have the light. The light source is very important in most of the drawings, in most of the paintings which you do, which I have seen, which you have sent to me. It has a problem with the light. In most of the cases, the light source is not clear, so that is why there will be colors everywhere, but there will be no shadows proper. So keep this in your mind, that whatever you do, whether it is a tree or a bunch or something, you add shadows to the object, whatever object you are doing right now. So this is it. And keep your pen line free, keep it natural. Try not to bind yourself into straight lines or the tree which you have drawn so far. So be free, think out of the box, use natural lines, and let your creative lines, let your creative imagination go free. Do not limit yourself with limited lines. And remember, if you want to create a good painting, if you want to create a good artwork, you need time. You must have patience. This is the thing which I repeatedly tell you in this class group, or in the class also. So that is the basic thing. You have to have patience. Yeah. See, as you can see, I'm giving the lines on to the left and the right, and according to the shape of the tree, according to the direction of the tree. These are just light shades at the background of the tree. See how I have kept the space between two lines so as to give the effect of lightness of the shade. When you want a darker value of the color, you decrease the white in the middle of two lines. See, this portion of the heart is receiving less light, so that is why the lines are very dense, they are very close, and thus they are creating the darker version of the same color. So whenever you need a dark color while using the pen and ink, then you have to, whatever color you choose, you have to keep the line very close so as to give the darker value of the color. At the same time, you must keep this in your head, that where you want to keep the light source, where the sun is, if it is outdoor. And according to that, remember the shapes which we have done in the class, and according to that, you shade it. It is always better to divide the complicated shapes into simple one. A heart can be the combination of rectangles. It can be the combination of few oval lines somewhere, like for the windows or for the doors or the corners of it. Like I have said that there is a shape of a cylinder here in the tree, and the shape of the oval can be used for the leaf of the tree. Now I'm keeping the light on the right side of the hut. So according to that light source, whatever object I have composed on to the paper, it will receive the light. The heart and the top portion of the heart will also receive the light from the right side. The background trees are lighter in shades, and that is why the lines are um, are a bit light here. The lines has the white in between. The more white you put between the lines, the lighter the tone will become. These are just small stones here and there. I'm using these stones for the balance of the composition, and as I want the land to be not plain, but let's ups and downs are there, so that is why I'm keeping the lines in that way. I'm keeping the line in curve so that it gives the effect that the land is sometimes up and sometimes down. Okay, few lines here and there, and suggestion of some grasses. Try to keep your lines in a variety of directions. This variety will add to the beauty of your work. All right. So there are some birds there. I'll try to put one video over here uh, by suggesting the clouds also. Keep practicing, dear students, and let me know if this video is helping. You can also comment and put it into the group. Yeah, but now more dark darker areas and little bit of small leaves here and there. It gives the suggestion of air. The same thing can be done with the other mediums too. I hope this video is a help to you. So keep creating. Okay, so this is the end of the video. We are almost there. So this is it. Good luck. All the best.